Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying at home, isn't it? Be safe and stay at home. Yes children, now we will start our English literature class, and this is a book Mulberry 2, and we have completed one chapter of this book. Today, as I told you earlier, we will do a poem. Okay, all of you open your book at page number 25. Okay, then we will start the poem The Little Plant by Kate Lewis Brown, written by Kate Lewis Brown. And the name of the poem is The Little Plant. Okay, so all of you open your book at page number 25. This is the name of your poem, The Little Plant. Okay, now all of you will recite with me the poem. Clear? So are all of you ready? Let's get started. Okay. Now before I start the poem, tell me, have you ever planted a tree, a plant or a tree, a seed? Okay, have you ever planted a seed? Have you seen it grow? Most of us, if not you, but you have seen your parents planting a seed, isn't it? Then slowly, gradually it grows, and it needs some elements to grow as a nutrients, isn't it? So in this poem, through this poem, the poet wants to tell the student what does a seed need to grow. Okay, now and by reciting the poem, you will enjoy also, isn't it? So let us start. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Wake said the sunshine and creep to the light. Wake said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So this is a nice poem. So in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep. So a tiny little plant lay first asleep. Means what? In the heart of a seed, means at the center of a seed. Have you seen a seed? So this is the picture of a seed given here. Okay. So in the heart of a seed, where is the heart? Middle of our body, isn't it? At the middle of our body. In the same way, in the center of a seed, there lies a little plant. No one can see the plant which is there lying inside the seed. So in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep. So how we grow a plant? Yes. So what we do, we plant a seed. Isn't it? We bury it under the ground. Isn't it? So in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny means a small plant lay fast asleep. Okay. Now, wake said the sunshine, and the sunshine, so this is the picture of sun. So the sunshine, the sun says, wake up, seed, wake up. Okay. And creep to the light. Creep means move towards, to move slowly. I'm here. Who says? The sun. Say, wake up, and move slowly towards the light. Okay. Then, wake said the voice of the raindrops bright. And then, the raindrops, it also says, wake up, seed, wake up. Okay, because the seed is lying inside the inside the ground, isn't it? It is buried deep inside the ground, and the seed lies at the heart, and a tiny plant lies inside the heart of the seed. Clear? So the wake said the sunshine and creep to the lights. wakes it the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant hard, and the little plant hard, this thing, okay, said by the raindrops and the sun. And it rose to see. Now it rose. It wanted to see what is there, why they are calling me. What the wonderful outside world might be. Now the seed is interested to come out of the ground. And when it comes out, the seed already becomes a plant. It sprouts into a plant, a tiny plant. Okay. So in this poem, what we have learned, so in the heart of a seed, means at the center of a seed, there lies a tiny means a small plant. Okay. So which is hid in the ground. Okay. So and how we grow a plant? First we bury a seed into the ground. So this way the seed, the tiny plant is inside the seed, and then it is buried in the ground. Okay, now what does it require to grow? To sprout into a little plant, a seed needs sunshine, air, isn't it? Water. These are all the nutrients that a seed need to grow. To grow into a plant, a seed did all this thing. So in a very beautiful way, the poet has tried to tell the students, the little children of class 2, that how a plant grow through this poem. Isn't it? Then the seed needs all these elements to grow into a tiny plant. Okay. So here once again I read it for you. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Then wakes it the sunshine and creep to the light. Creep means what? Creep means to move slowly towards to move slowly. Now wakes in the sunshine, and the sunshine asks the seed to move towards the light, as the seed needs light to grow into a plant, to develop into a plant. Then the wakes it the voice of the raindrops bright, and it needs water. Where from water they get? They get water from the raindrops, from the rain. So again rain said, wake up little seed. And then the little plant heard that they are calling. Okay, then heard means literally it will not hear. Okay, but in a poetic way it is written here, as it is a poem. So the little plant, then it gets all the nutrients. Then the seed sprout into a little plant. So the little plant heard, and it rose to see. Then when it comes out from the ground, it sees the beautiful world outside. Okay, so this is the poem written by Kate Louise Brown. Okay, children, recite the poem properly, and then we will do the exercises given. Okay, all of you, please write down this poem in your CW copy. Those who can draw this, it is very nice. You have got enough time now at home. So write the poem, and please draw also. Draw the sun, then the raindrop, clouds and all given here, isn't it? Clear? Thank you.